Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into Act 2, Scene 2 and 3 of Shakespeare's Othello. These scenes may seem different in tone and length, but together they set the stage for the drama that will soon unfold. Let's begin with a summary of both scenes. Then we will dive into a critical analysis of their importance in the play. In the brief Act 2, Scene 2, a herald announced a public holiday in Cyprus to celebrate Othello's recent victory over the Turks and his marriage to Desdemona. Citizens are invited to rejoice, and the scene emphasizes the festive atmosphere surrounding Othello's success. Although short, it establishes a sense of triumph and celebration that stands in contrast to the chaos about to erupt in Scene 3. Act 2, Scene 3 picks up during the celebration where Othello leaves Cassio in charge of keeping peace. However, Iago, with a cunning plan in mind, persuades Cassio to drink. Soon, Cassio becomes intoxicated and a fight breaks out between him and Rodrigo, which leads to Montano getting injured while trying to intervene. Othello arrives at the chaotic scene demanding an explanation. Iago, pretending to be reluctant, subtly blames Cassio, leading Othello to strip Cassio of his lieutenant rank. Heartbroken, Cassio laments the loss of his reputation, and Iago seizes the opportunity to advise him to seek Desdemona's help to restore his position. Meanwhile, Iago secretly plans to use Cassio's closeness to Desdemona to incite Othello's jealousy. Critical analysis. Now, let's dive into the critical analysis of these scenes. First, Act 2, Scene 2. Though brief, plays a vital role. The holiday atmosphere highlights Othello's public success, setting up a contrast with the private turmoil that will soon follow. Act 2, Scene 3 is where Iago's schemes truly begin to unravel. This scene marks the start of Othello's tragic descent. Here we see Iago still in manipulating others, exploiting Cassio's weakness for alcohol to create disorders. Cassio's vulnerability becomes a tool for Iago's plans, showing how easily reputation and trust can be shattered. Iago also manipulates the theme of reputation here, as Cassio, despair over his lost honor, is central to the scene. By advising Cassio to approach Desdemona for help, Iago cunningly prepares the ground for Othello's jealousy. This game showcases Iago's calculated manipulation and sets the stage for the tragic events that follow. Moreover, Othello's quick acceptance of Cassio's guilt without deeper investigation reveals his blind trust to Iago. This moment hints at Othello's own insecurity and foreshadows how Iago will later exploit this trust to development devastating effect. Finally, this scene contrasts the public and private sides of Othello. Publicly, he is a strong leader, but privately, the shades of insecurity are being planted. Othello's trust in Iago is so strong that he quickly believes Cassio is at fault without questioning Iago's motives. In conclusion, Act 2, Scene 2 and 3 play a significant role in shaping the trajectory of Othello. The festive tone of Scene 2 contrasts sharply with the betrayal and tension that build up in Scene 3. Iago's manipulation, the importance of reputation, and Othello's vulnerabilities all come to light, marking the beginning of play's tragic downfall. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please like, share, and subscribe for more Shakespeare's scene analysis. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about Iago's manipulation tactics? Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Othello's insight.